we can look after them. And I also carry with me my emblem that represents me, the Yoruba Nation flag, which is currently the standard American flag, as you can see there. So these are all the reasons why we are saying to Yoruba people, self-determination is not a crime, and it can never be a crime. So don't let anybody intimidate you that you know, we want to break Nigeria. No, Nigeria was never a country, and Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Okay, Sunday Igboho is a criminal. Self-determination or the issue offense. We have the right, like the Scottish people that doesn't want to go as well. So let me put my camera to the front. Oh, I need to adjust it so that you can see what is happening in the front. I need to remove this. So self-determination is not a crime, and we are not going to allow Tinubu, that also says he doesn't believe in one Nigeria at some point, to intimidate us. We are exercising our right like the Scottish people, and that right must be respected by Tinubu and his government. Whether Tinubu likes it or not, Tinubu needs to respect our right to self-determination. So that's exactly wrong, but we're going to manage it. So mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri, tá bá ń sọ fún yín sórí pé mi nìkan ni bọ́ọ̀sì ń gbé lọ, kò sí ìtó kan, torí pé the service is to carry somebody or to go and do the job. Kò dàbí ti Nigeria, tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n nìkan wọ́n máa make sure pé okun kan tó gbéra ńlẹ̀. So mo kí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, à ń wá Buhari lọ, wọ́n ní Buhari wà ní London. Buhari is in London, so KOIKIMEDIA is looking for President Muhammadu Buhari. So I hope that many of you are aware that Buhari was the president for 8 years. Yet, he could not prepare his exit when he's going to be sick. Rather, he's receiving treatment in London. Buhari, you know, a very good afternoon. The weather is extremely beautiful. It's exactly 1:32 p.m. local time in London. Remember, this was where we traveled when Oloye Igboho came to London. Orí títì la gbà kọjá, títì ni wọ́n parẹ́ fún wa. How many of you remember last year, October, when we had that fantastic rally? No police was killing us, no tear gas. This is why we say that Nigeria can never work. Mo kí bàbá wa Prophet John Ogundele, mo kí Princess Victoria Olaiwola Ekaboma, Obina, Henry, Chine, Bu. I hope that many of you will make it to UK in time. If otherwise, pray that you have your country so that we can negotiate our coming to America, going to UK, as Dubai has now said no more visa for Nigerians. Everybody go chop breakfast. If you can run away, run away. But most importantly, we need to exit. So let me quickly show you one more